Hi, welcome to English Fluency TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be sharing two confusing words, and these are later with one T and latter with double T. So it's later and latter. Later with one T and latter with double T. Now let's look at the definition of these two words. So when we say later, we are talking about the time sometime in the future. So for example, we say, I will see you later, I will cook dinner later, I will go to the gym later, I will do my homework later. So when we say later with one T, what we mean is the time sometime in the future. On the other hand, when we talk about latter with double T, what we mean is that we identify the second in the list of two things, or something that is closer to the end. So for example, if I said, I bought apple and banana, but I enjoyed the latter, what I mean is that I enjoyed the second one, which is the banana. If I said that I enjoyed the latter of the movie, what I mean is that I enjoyed the end part of the movie. So if I said that I would rather have the latter than the former, what I mean is that out of the two choices, I would rather have the second than the first. So to conclude, when we say later with one T, we are talking about the time sometime in the future. And when we talk about latter with a double T, what we are referring is the second part in a list of two things. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.